Yeah, I saw a few videos, and according to some of you suggesting that the black and blue cable should be connected together. So the white is a neutral, which I got separate, and then further down we got black, and then put the blue in if you use the lights. And that's exactly what I did. Interesting. Maybe it's not working because this was taken out, but the fan worked before without this, so I'm not sure what's wrong. Still have to put some thinking there, or you guys got any idea? Black and blue are together now, as per instructions. Okay, I'll leave that for another day. Ready to go, huh? Yeah, Bella got a lot of pimple and things. We don't know exactly, so we take her to the doctor. But first of all, we're gonna go and have lunch. Sorry about the background noise. Let's go. We're back here, just for once. Baby loves the French fries. I'm sure excited about the cartoon.
Color.
Yeah, we have the doctor here. We're waiting for Bella's turn.
You want to stay here?
She started moving furniture around. Okay, we're getting some medication now. Bella's got some allergy to certain things like peanuts. It's not a big deal, but we need to stop things like peanuts, chocolate, tuna, and be with animals as well. We need to stay away from animals at the moment. We got cat at the home all the time, so we may have to make sure Mimi stay outside. Anyway, and then she got some medication. Total cost 2,000 pesos, 2090. Got a special cream. Is that a shampoo? For bath? Yeah. Okay.
What's this?
Alright, let's go. Okay, we're doing a giant passport. She needs an NBI clearance. So to just somewhere getting an appointment online, somebody do for you for 50 pesos or something like that. And then you're going to walk across to the NBI office, that blue building out there. And you fill up some form or whatever, and a couple of days later they call you, you can pick up your clearance. Then we can take appointment with the Department of Foreign Affairs to do the passport. Getting ready for the run. She got already. After what, 2 days, and you got to throw away. She got NBS throw away. Careful the run. Wow, I can't believe it. She's so lucky. Ah. I don't know where she's going. Big thunderstorm coming up. It's amazing the amount of rain we had, which is good. I hope I can buy a tank before the end of the rainy season. Then we don't have to worry anymore. Yeah, what a gorgeous morning. Good morning. We're gonna go to town twice, Friday and Saturday. Got so many things to do. Here again, boring, but we love it. Really order some Chinese. Yeah, we're here again. We love it. And we already ordered some Chinese as well. Just one. Dim sum. Little Bella slept so well last night. She got the cream on the body and medication. And she doesn't eat things that she's allergic to, like peanuts and chocolate. It's nice here and friendly. We had Kentucky yesterday, so we need to slow down those junk food. I'm not saying this is perfect here, but it's less factory food.
Did you eat this? Is this yum? that? Open sesame. Ah, she love it.
One each.
She can have mine.
You like it? Very nice. Mommy coming with the fries. French fries for Bella. Oh, I think that is going to help you. This is not too healthy. Loves fries and pizza, she said. Some kind of pizza. I love to. I love to. That's why we vlog the sila. Because was filming around. Look at me and okay, just back home. Good morning, beautiful day today. Just finished the live stream. The boss told me to install this one inside the house on the wall. So we're gonna do that. And boss. And I'm gonna install right there on that post, and then facing the lounge. Okay, done. Jam's happy, I think. Happy? Yummy. You hungry? Oh. How is it? Soft and tender.
I should be the one asking you. Hmm?
Oh, soft and tender. Much better than the beef the other day. She gone. I prefer this than lechon. It's delicious, and the meat's so soft. Look at this. I know it's a good knife, but still cut very soft. Cheers. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.